I currently have a Ryzen 3600 and a B450M. Recently, I took advantage on a sweet deal of a 3070 Supreme X. Now, I try to play games like Black Myth Wukong with high graphics at 1080p. Can you suggest an upgrade? My options are the 5600X or the 5700X. My recommendation would be to get the 5700X if you can. If you can stretch, I would consider the 5700X3D or even the 5800X3D, as you will get much better performance for future GPU upgrades. And again, I would definitely get the 5700X3D or the 5800X3D if you can stretch your budget a little more, as you're going to get quite a bit more performance, and you'll have to upgrade your CPU a lot less soon.